Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues on Netflix. To know how to find a solution about Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Netflix. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop. Then we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.